Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, adab. Welcome from the University Grants Commission of Bangladesh. I am proud to share that we are going to host an international conference on Fourth Industrial Revolution and beyond, IC4IRB, from 10 to 11 December 2021. The conference will be held in December, the month of our victory. At the outset, I respectfully remember the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and all the martyrs who sacrificed their lives in our liberation war. This conference is going to help marking the celebration of Golden Jubilee of our independence and birth centenary of our great leader, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The father of the nation dreamed Sonar Bangla, a hunger and corruption-free, prosperous Bangladesh, bearing the same philosophy in mind, but in a digital world. Bangabandhu's dream has been transformed into digital Bangladesh under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and her ICT advisor Mr. Sajib Wajed Joy. It is now heading towards innovative Bangladesh through creation of an innovative education ecosystem, IEE. I think the universities are the frontier institutions for responding to the challenges of Fourth Industrial Revolution. This is the first time UGC is organizing this type of summit, and it will encourage our universities across the country to strengthen research and innovation relating to 4IR. A large number of distinguished scholars, students, and 4IR stakeholders from home and abroad will participate in the conference. 3 Nobel laureates and many international experts will deliver keynote speeches as well. Along with the conference, 2 other events are going to take place. Those are Mujib 100 Idea Contest and Mujib 100 Industrial Exhibit. Our main focus is to strengthen the academia-industry linkage, enrich research and innovation. Bangladesh is on track to earn 5 billion from IT software export by 2025, and one day it will exceed our garments industry, as said by the Honorable ICT advisor to the Prime Minister. I think this conference would be a landmark towards achieving the target, and hope that the young generation, industrial entrepreneurs, universities, government of Bangladesh will be immensely benefited from these events. Now, I would like to thank the sponsors and everyone who are working hard to make the conference successful. Stay safe and blessed. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu, long live Bangladesh.